Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to rotate an image in Photoshop. Let's get started. Before we rotate the image, we need to make sure the layer is unlocked. In the Layers panel on the right side, you'll see your image layer labeled as background with a lock icon. Click on the lock icon to unlock it. With your image layer selected, press Ctrl T. This will bring up the transform bounding box around your image. To rotate the image, move your cursor to any corner of the bounding box until it turns into a curved double-headed arrow. Click and drag the corner to rotate the image to your desired angle. You'll see the rotation in real time as you drag. If you want a precise rotation, hold down the Shift key to snap to 15-degree increments. Once you're happy with the rotation, press Enter to confirm the changes. And that's it! You've successfully rotated your image in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.